Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this lovely gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Heritage Edition package, the FX4 Off-Road Package, Sport Edition package, and Trailer Tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera with a lovely Bedliner. Your upper half of your vehicle is going to be blacked out. Same with the bottom. You got the Heritage decals as well, with gripped running boards on either side. Keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, spotlight, turn light indicated. We do get a remote start with this vehicle as well, with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford Grille. With the Heritage Edition of the XLT, you do get seating for up to 5. You got these nice looking textured seats, all gray cloth, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats with the carpeted interior, cup holders and storage, rear vents, 12-volt and USB and USB-C with 120-volt, and a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks. We do get spotlights, lights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 35,975 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with your toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get My View, Trip and Feel, Truck Info, Towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select that is collapsible storage, cup holders, if it wanted to collapse, but it does collapse. Storage here with some outlets. Got the nice F-Series logo with the Heritage Edition on your center console with an interior work surface. Put your food, laptops there. Same storage underneath as well, with rear locking diff, drive modes, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, dual climate up front with heated front seats, 12-volt and 120, storage above, below, and on the dash. A nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our auto stop auto start, backup camera, hazards, hill and traction. You got your audio here, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, your phone controls, your navigation, little red dots showing your vehicle's been. You can have your audio open at the same time, different widgets, all that jazz. Fave apps such as messaging and email will be found in here. Zone lighting. Any apps you may download will also show up right here with the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8251, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.